I welcome you to Reeby News. I am your host, AJ Royal. Today we are here at Krowor. And as you know, 3 days today we were here for the nomination filing. Today we are here for the vetting. So we will go inside to check up on the candidates that are filing for the nomination and those that will be vetted today. For nomination. Many are working men about vetting. We were living in Obashabia, one I can be a BAP. Many Obashabia and a major expectation. You don't remember my name, Lumo be fair. So we know we are medicated over fair filing. Many oba or ni appeal ni documents over filing. Kagbini happy with dance. Woba ni kagbina and vetting, kagbi vetting and about nomination. Corner ballot local. Woba me expect action process by no smoothly. Kagbina balloting normal. It will appeal to the delegates. Well, that's my expectation. Okay. For competition. Okay, me are for communications officer. Okay. As we speak, what the Jimmy, Danny Mana may file, other people when they file. So far, me penny in filing. In documented fair, okay. Complete, okay. Questions who may not kindly baba came mineke, maybe black and mini west, and I will be and I'm voting. Yeah, to my question will be on no expert or action tafache and no more true, Sunny more in a share. Me expect action about Bibo and no true Kewa NDC party. Nindo Hani, Wano Kako Domono, no as a communication party. That is what I'm expecting action. Communication, that process, about people, no, Jesus' name. Kewa party. So that is all. Me, what they are making, I'm a level, so that's what I'm expecting. Hey, a number say, go walk like from 1 to 5. Me number the code nana kind number scroll, but not him mention. Le many a bahabu. She namani mana mention. Okay, can quay it buying. Numoche, Numobile, Kenumocross, and if Bami, the Trinity. Be an one occupation in your buyer inside and Wofite Obe or Bashibu, Yashiko, or Acha was a neighbor. No wish me good luck. Good luck. Or wish you good luck, no number 3. So I welcome you to Reeby News.
Yeah, thank you.
Please, we were here with you 3 days today for the nomination filing. Today we are here for the vetting. We see that a lot of people are here. Here is massive than the last time. What are your expectations?
Oh, my expectation is that the vet will go on well.
Okay.
And the number I'm expecting to, I'll get it.
Okay, since you have gone to the number, what number are you expecting?
I really want number 1.
Number 1?
Yes, please.
Why number 1? Do you have any reason behind the number 1?
Yes, number 1 is a victory number.
Okay.
No number comes before 1.
Okay.
That means that I'll be at the top, and after the election, I'll be declared a winner.
Okay. So please, what are some of the questions that you are expecting them to ask you? If it were to be me, if I am a judge, I'll ask you, why should it be you?
Yeah, they'll ask that question as well.
Okay.
And they'll ask the question I'm expecting, for how long have I been in the party? Like how many years?
Okay.
Or my position in the party?
Okay.
Yes.
And is this question, is it going to be easy? Are you, like, how is it going to be to you?
Yes, it's going to be easy for me because I've done a lot of things in the party. I joined the party 2005. I became a member. Then from that, I became executive member. Then after that, I became a youth organizer. And after that, I became a branch chairman. And currently, I was a branch chairman before I resigned, like I told you the last time. So those things, these things, I think these are the only things they will ask, which I know I've done those things. And a lot of people know me at the grassroots level. I am their friends, I am their brother, their sister. I'm a brother to a lot of them. Uncles, yes.
Okay. Okay, since time is already gone and you people are getting ready for it, we will let you go, but when you come back, we'll continue our interview.
Thank you.
We wish you all the best.
The number 1, I'll go and pick it and come. Thank you.
Boko. Oh,
no, what they maybe I feel according to a menu or lay. I be me party and me Sunday. Mini, you fake our party and move coming. Honestly, when if me Betty, he was so impressed. Lewe na no true one to a pro. As well, come a regional, national. I mean, no friend, I mean, to me. One in Papa de Jabi, Miss Sunday, you can see the new tailor 2020. You will mean Kina, you will mean the Wally. New what faith in for 2024.
Get boy, most baby, and I mean, I can bet questions and I can have where a simple.
NDC is Sunday. Can it be no fake? NDC. No, what tell me, come not one or two as well. National, regional fame. You want money back, if you want interview a national. See, as well, not one or two 2020, not one in two. Well, a boy, how many be a comment? Ni Tommy Akashi, a follow the not one who took any be fair. Benin, the Lenya Lacan, only 2020 and 2024 is fair.
Oh, you're more tracking. No, question said to money lab on the company.
Oh, Nasani.
Yeah, the here, the number. None of about a mere one wake on number 3. Well, only by show. No, dear, Camo, men number.
You better be a Gashi, Ilemania. She need to go and knock away 10. What in knock away 10 in Solin can work no money be there, a cammy. Mofemo committee last person in midi second person in Corno. Nin Cordy Agbelena, number 3. As number 3. God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Spirit. Agbela, the Trinity, number 3.
Or be an Modromona, number 3.
Don't be
what should we expect from you from today going, from this moment going? What is coming up? What is new? Mini walk here.
Okay, from Mineke Agbene, you can delegate about national. Sanima Benka, Nima Keami, Nibi, New York, communication department, Nimba. No communication, I was a branch communicator. She will be communication, a share branch level. No, journalists and work concentrate. Many of branch, I'm like a trony. Then I can communicate says, and one forum who educates me, who build a capacity. That is what I stand for. In 2024, we need bold and proactive communicators. What they are in 2020, we were number 1 target. Now, Tower or not, here was it. Because we projected the image of the NDC and made MPP unpopular in Krowor. Onush ni la kanti nutumo ni delegates nkame ba gwe ni amena keshi mimba ni nutumo ni 2020 imba tu fena kan bona fena me message e because I'm voting award.
What you here ke what do much can have God here. Hey, Shabeni, or for campaign, because I'm not an election time. What is a bear? What about you? So, what over him, back where woman, video, man, say, my name is there. What about update the affair? No more, yes, a real what's it, Bonoya?
You I don't Krowor be get delegates, get Krowor be fair, no in call me page. Neha, what fear you put me? A come femo, you are laying. What now? What yake men who are Krowor be you? But you go to man, you go to no, you Krowor, no jibu. What feel come to walk at our man? I've been away in the other delegates can be. What feel compare ye snowmona? Nini be fair joy, and then men so ani. Can't be now. Who feel what feel could be? No, can go NDC and can this nearly me by 2024. No, this year you money can
Can you introduce yourself and tell us the position that you fought for?
My name is Reeby, and I'm standing for executive member.
Executive member. Okay, we know today they are doing violin. Please, how did it go?
It went very well. It went very, very well. Very, very peaceful. Okay. The questions was good. Everything went very well. Yeah.
Please, can you tell us some of the questions that were asked there?
The questions, how long you will be in the party?
Okay.
What role you have played in the party?
Okay.
And what role you are going to play in the party in the years to come?
Okay.
In the coming election, yeah.
Okay. So was this question easy for you or it was difficult? How long have you been in the party?
I've been in the party since '92, since I was born.
Oh, Okay.
Yes. But I've been active for 96.
Okay. So it was quite easy for you.
I mean, those straightforward normal questions that couldn't, you know.
So please, when you were going in there, what was the number that you were expecting to get, and how many people were nominated for this?
What I know is there were about 25 people, 25 to 20, in the 20s.
Okay.
Standing for that position. But for right now, I think only 17 showed up.
17 people for one?
17.
Wow.
Yeah. I don't know why the rest back out. They're going to come later, but for now, I know it's only 17.
Okay, so please, what number did you get?
Perfect number, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, number 3.
Number 3?
Yes.
Okay, so was the number 3 the number you were expecting to get, or that wasn't the number?
Between 1 and 3.
You were between 1 and 3?
Actually, I wanted 1 or 2.
Okay.
To market 1, and to market 2. I'm a marketer.
Oh, okay. And you got 3 instead of 1 or 2. Okay. Okay, so please, right now, what should people expect from you? Why should you be the one? Why should they vote for you?
If I become an executive member, I'm going to work with every chairman, every member who's going to be chosen for this after this election. And I'm ready to work with everybody. And I want to bring my experience. Because I've worked with a lot of people in this
Please
constituency.
can you look inside our camera for us?
I've worked with a lot of people in this constituency. I worked with the Takwekuma. I was the head of his communication team when he was going for his campaign. I was a member of his campaign. I was also the spokesperson for Mr. Guzitano when he stood as the presidential candidate for NDC.
Okay.
Yeah, and I've done a lot of work and underground with people. So I'm going to bring that experience I have to bear on the party to win these elections and win it hands down. In fact, I'm looking at increasing the number of votes you're going to get from 9,000 to like 15,000 and above.
Wow, that is quite amazing. So please, after this, after the vetting today, what is next? What should we look forward to?
Now real campaign, real hot campaign for the next 2 weeks. It's going to be really hot back to back.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll be looking forward to get an update from your side.
Definitely.
So we'll talk to you again. Thank you very much for your time.
God bless you all.
So, welcome back.
Thank you.
Earlier on when we were going inside, we had an interview with you and we were looking up for the expectation. When you went, how was it? Was it easy?
It was good. It was good. I took number 1.
You took number 1?
Yes, which stands for victory.
That is amazing.
Yes.
Please, kindly tell us how was the questions? What are some of the questions that came out? Is it what you were expecting to come out?
Yes, it's what I was expecting. My name, my branch, where I came from, what work I did in the party for the past days, and for now, have I paid my dues? The people that endorsed me, did they pay? Those are the questions that they ask, which was very nice.
For how long have you been in the party?
Since 2005.
2005, that means it's a quite some.
Yes.
How many were you?
Today?
Yes, the people that nominated, how many people were nominated?
We are 5.
5?
Yes, please.
And you got number 1?
Number 1.
And all the 5 came today?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So that is a victory to you?
Yes, it's a victory.
It's a victory. Was
Yes.
the number 1 the number you wanted?
Yes, it's the number 1. Even before I come to this place, all my friends, anybody who calls me, tells me that we wish you go and pick number 1, which happened today. I am so happy to God. I am so happy to my friends. Everybody, I don't know. The last time I was telling you, I don't know how to express the kind of support I'm having from the Okwegono, Batuna, Adegono. Let me say all the branches and all the people that are calling me, encouraging me in support of everything. I'm so happy that today we picked the number 1 as well.
So after the vetting, right, what is next?
Then,
what should we expect from you?
What you should expect from me now is like to go to the people, campaigning, telling them that if they vote for me, they vote for themselves. Yes, because I'm one of them. All the things that we are looking up to, everybody cannot stand for the chairmanship. That is the reason, the one of them, which is the grassroots like me, I'm contesting for them. So voting for me is voting for themselves as well. So they should expect me that very soon, from tomorrow, we will sit down with the campaign team, we will do the strategies, how we will go to wards and the branches to introduce ourselves and to give them our message. For now, the campaign starts from today.
Okay. So what assurance do you have that you are going to win? Since you got the number 1, which you wanted, the one you wished for, you have gotten it. What assurance do you have that this one, I'm going to come out victorious?
Oh yeah, this election is done already.
It's done.
It's done already. We are just waiting for either 22nd or 23rd so that they will declare me a winner. Because the number one is what we were expecting. For the past weeks, we know after picking the forms, we know definitely we are going to pick number one. And that happened. I always tell my friends and all the people, a lot of calls are coming from the town, Nongwa town, telling me that you've won already. Because most of the people didn't even see me before. They are calling me that we want to support you, we want to help you, we want to see you. So now that I picked the number one, I know definitely all the things that we said is in. So the 22nd or the 23rd, no matter what it is, the victory belongs to us.
We can see you are with, as for our sister, we already know her because we met her 3 days today. But we would still like her to introduce herself to people who doesn't know her. Then we'll be asking our uncle here to introduce himself too.
Okay, my name is Nancy Ababio, youth organizer, Bass Academy. I'm the campaign manager for current incoming chairman. Yeah. Women Power. Yeah.
So please, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Chris, so the ward coordinator for Okwegono. Yeah.
Okay, so you are all here to support your brother here for him. So what are you sure that he's going to win? He's going to come out victorious?
Sure, banker. No doubt, no shaking.
With a woman? All things are possible.
Behind every successful man, there is a woman. So far as I'm on my 2 legs, victory is ours.
I can see that. Uncle, what are your preparations towards this election coming? Because we know from tomorrow going is election. So what are your preparations to help him to win and come out victorious?
Yeah, thank you very much. For Achu is one of the hard-working guys from my ward. Initially, when I became the ward coordinator, I picked him to become the ward organizer because when we talk of Okwegono, you can't mention the name without mentioning his name. So when he approached me with his vision to become a chairman of the constituency, actually I was very happy because I was looking for opportunity like this for one of us to emerge to become the leader of the constituency, because after every election the story is the same. The electorate from my electoral area complained, they feel neglected, the attention of the party is not there. So for him to come out with a vision that he wanted to go as a constituency chairman, it's a plus. And our preparation so far is that we are going to make a difference. And then we are going to make a difference, and then we make sure this election, he did mention of number one. It's a sign of victory. And then it's a surprise we are paying to, or we are giving to the constituency, that he being the incoming chairman, definitely he will win. So far we are putting ourselves together. From here, we are going back to the drawing board to put our strategies together. So for him, we are 100% sure that he's going to win. Okay.
So we'll be looking forward for more updates to hear from you and know how things are going. In the day, they will be here to know if victory was truly yours. Thank you very much.